Imagine a world where the Earth is completely flat. The sky would stretch infinitely above us, creating an awe-inspiring dome. The horizon would present a sharp, defined edge that would leave us in disbelief. Just think about how gravity would behave in such a reality. Objects might tumble sideways, defying our expectations, or even float away into the vastness. Traveling would become a thrilling adventure. Ships could sail right off the edge of the world, while planes would soar through an endless expanse, navigating a sky that knows no bounds. Now, let's dive into the concept of time zones. They would vanish entirely. Instead, we would have just one sun casting its light everywhere, resulting in a single, universal time that everyone would follow. Weather patterns would grow wild and unpredictable. Storms could sweep across the flat landscape without any mountains or valleys to hinder their path. Seasons might change without warning, leaving us constantly guessing about what to wear each day. And think about the stars. In this flat reality, how would they look? Would they still twinkle in the same way? Would constellations remain unchanged, or would they fade into obscurity? Society would face fascinating adjustments. Maps would be entirely flat, but how would we measure distances in this new world? The concepts of up and down would flip our understanding of orientation upside down. Philosophers would engage in deep discussions about the essence of reality itself. Scientists would be in a frenzy, trying to explain everything we observe in this bizarre new environment. Would we even trust our senses in such an altered reality? In this flat Earth scenario, the ordinary would transform into the extraordinary. What would life truly be like in such an unusual existence? Imagine the unique challenges we would encounter. Everyday tasks would take on entirely new meanings. How would we construct buildings? Would we need innovative designs to accommodate this flat layout? The idea of a horizon would shift dramatically. Without mountains to obstruct our view, we would see an endless stretch of land, stretching as far as the eye can see. Transportation would evolve in dramatic ways. Vehicles would need to adapt to the unique characteristics of this landscape. Roads might lead us directly to the edge, forcing us to figure out how to halt before sailing into the unknown. Can you picture the thrill and excitement of standing on the very edge of the world, peering into the abyss? Education would also undergo a transformation. Schools would teach children about this flat reality, introducing them to navigation methods that are beyond our current imagination. Geography lessons would focus on the vastness of the flat surface, rather than the curves we are used to on a globe. Culturally, art and literature would reflect this new way of seeing the world. Artists would create breathtaking depictions of the endless sky and the stark horizon. Writers would delve into themes of infinity and the mysteries that lie beyond the edge. What about exploration? Adventurers would yearn to discover what lies beyond the edge of this flat world. Would there be an entirely new realm waiting to be uncovered? The notion of exploration would evolve into something profoundly different. In this flat Earth, everything we know would be challenged. Our beliefs, our scientific principles, and our very understanding of existence would be put to the ultimate test. Would we embrace the mystery of it all, or would fear hold us back from venturing into the unknown? This strange reality would ignite curiosity and wonder within us. It would inspire profound questions about our place in the universe. Life would become a constant adventure, filled with surprises and revelations at every turn. So what are your thoughts? How would you navigate this flat world? Would you possess the courage to stand at the edge?